Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 4 quick and simple fall decor DIYs using budget-friendly items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time.
I just wanted to mention that I'm going to be using this warm caramel spray paint for all 4 DIYs. You can find this at Walmart.
I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel.
I cut the foam pumpkin in half and I spray painted it with the warm caramel and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to be using this chalkboard paint I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be painting the back of the sign. Once I made sure that the black paint was done drying, I'm going to be adding the foam pumpkin in the center with some hot glue.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized.
All the floral and greenery I use is mostly from Walmart.
But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender. Now that it's ended, nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe.
To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding some twine on the sides of the sign.
Do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late.
The second DIY was super simple. I had also spray painted the pumpkin tray with the warm caramel, and I'm just gonna be adding some roses and some greenery.
Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life I wanna live. Oh, muscle tight, early light, cleanse down jaw. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking.
To give it some detail, I'm just adding a small bow I made out of raffia.
Watch me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked
I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Ivory, and I'm also going to be adding a tiny teaspoon of baking powder just to give it a more chalky look to it. I spray painted the 3 bases with the warm caramel, and once they were done drying, I'm just going to be adding a certain pattern with the chalk paint.
Sunrise, sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's all the same. Call me out from my shadow self. It's time I can tell. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water. Wicked drowning water. We're not gonna waste our time.
I had also spray painted this cute little jar I got at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would just make a cute little vase.
Be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Other than that, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.